Hey, this is a video tutorial on 2.4a1. Let's get started. 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Here's the 6, and you put the 5 up. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus those 5 makes 53. Now, before you can multiply by the 2, you have to put a 0 down because you're actually multiplying not 2 but 20. It's in the tens position. 2 times 7 is 14. I'm going to just cross this off so you don't get confused. 2 times 7 is 14. Put a 1 up. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. This is 6. 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 1.876. Next problem. 7 times 8 again is 56. Here's the 6. Here's the 50. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 and 5 is 61. Got a 0 down because we're coming from the tens column now. 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Here's the 8. Here's the 40. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 4 makes 52. Add those up. 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. And we've got 5. We've got 1, 2 decimals on the top. 1, 2 decimals on the bottom. And it kind of makes sense if you think about it. See, we've got 9.7 times 0.38. 7 times 8 is 56 again. Boy, that's a popular fact. 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 5 more makes 77. 0 down before we multiply. Cross off our carries. 3 times 7 is 21. Here's the 1. Here's the 20. 3 times 9 is 27. 28. 29. We've got a 6. Plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 9 is 16. And there's the carry. And 2 plus 1 is 3. We've got 1, 2, 3 decimal spots. 1, 2, 3 decimal spots. 3.686. Next one. Slide this down just a little bit. Get my hand a little more room here. 4 times 6 is 24. Here's the 4. Here's the 20. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. Get 0 down. Now we've got 3 times 6, which is 18. Here's the 8. Here's the teen. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. We've got 4 when we add them up. 8 plus 8 is 16. Here's the 6. Here's the teen. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. You've got 1 decimal, 2 decimals. 1, 2. 15.64 is your answer. All right. 0.45 times 0.25. Just ignore the decimals again. We'll just multiply away. We'll deal with them at the end. 5 times 5 is 25. Here's 5. Here's the 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2 is 22. 0 down. 2 times 5 is 10. Here's the 0. Here's the 10. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Add them up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. You got, it's hard to tell on that. I believe there's only 2 decimal spots. We'll go with 11.25. Wait, looks like that's a decimal point, so this would be 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. 0.1125. It's hard to read that. I think that decimal is correct, though. Assuming that there's 2 decimals here and 2 decimals there.